Hello and thanks for watching this video. Today we're going to be giving you the details on Abby's Anaheimer Inn.
So as soon as you come in directly on your right, you do have two full-size beds over here, as well as a little nightstand and a lamp. If we go over here to the nightstand, you do have some little charge ports. You can charge your phones and other electronics. Pretty decent size space for the nightstand. And then on the other side of the room, you do have a full-size mirror. You have your TV. You have some drawer space, a microwave, a little desk, and you also have like your sink. We'll check it out right now. Pretty average size drawer space. Inside here you do have a refrigerator if you did want to come and bring some refrigerated items. You do have your microwave, your little Cuisinart for your coffee, as well as some waters. You also have some morning blend coffee. You do have another lamp here that does have some electrical sockets. Pretty nice red chair for your desk. On this side over here, you also have your ironing board, as well as like your closet, where you just have your hangers. You also have your air conditioning unit down here by the floor. And then this is like your little bathroom sink area. So if you go a little bit further here, you do have some more towels. This is your body wash, shampoo, and body bar. It's all by Paya, it says. And then you also have your hair dryer over here on the right. And then there's nothing there. And as you come over here, you have your bathroom. So directly on your left, you have your shower. You also have your toilet and trash can. And then directly above that, you have some extra towels. This is a view from the other side of the room closest to the bathroom, looking out toward the front door. And if you can hear some background noise, it's because when we came in, our window was open. So we do look out over, this is Catella Avenue over here. It says we're about a 15-minute walk over to the Disneyland Resort. We're going to test that out later on, but it is currently like 5 o'clock right now, so we'll have a better shot tomorrow morning and we'll film that for you. Over there with the blue lights, that is Pixar Pals Hotel. So we're not too far away from the parks either. So this is a view of our room from the daytime.
Parking is included in your stay, and there's also a pool and jacuzzi available for you to use. It did take us about 15 minutes to walk to the park from here. That's going to do it for Abby's Anaheimer Inn. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe.